The following message is transmitted into the request of the emergency alert system. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All the aliens from other sides of the solar system have returned to Earth and all the radio stations have been hijacked at this time. Please listen for the following instructions. Lock your doors, close your windows shut, duck down, seek shelter, turn off all the lights in your home, turn off your TV, fans, and other electronics in your home. Do not use the telephone, keep it open for emergency. If you have already do so, please regard this.
We apologize for the interruption. This was only a test. Now switching back to normal programming.
At this time, we apologize for the interruption. This was only a test.